What's up, y'all? Stayci in Asia. So we come to y'all, excuse me, with a little house tour at our Airbnb here in Kissimmee, Florida. So this way we have a beautiful room with a teenager that it does not come with. The aesthetic is nice. You know. Little table that nobody gonna use. Bathroom, really nice. Closet, probably not gonna use.
No, we're not gonna use this closet. It's nice size closet though. Nice size shower.
Yeah. This is the little, what do they call it? A foyer? Look, you crooked. What's in here?
Nothing.
This way is the game room where there are 2 teenage boys and they don't come with the game room either. But if you want them, you can have them. Huh? Ping pong, TV, is it like game? Xbox, all the stuff. Laundry room. They actually got one of them little mop buckets.
The kind that we said we were gonna get.
No, that's not my business. Fancy kitchen. And you just go to the kitchen and just start opening stuff. Just so you can see where everything is. Don't use it.
Fucking countertops.
Just show them stuff.
Countertops nice as hell. You supposed to be leading, not
They got
opening up
spices.
cabinets and stuff.
Oh look, they gave us a couple of trash bags. All right, refrigerator, nothing in it. We ain't been shopping. This is the living quarters where we will be hanging out and chilling. That's my niece and her boyfriend, where they are chilling. What we finna do as soon as we're done with this room tour. Pool table. Pool table. This is baby element because I don't know how to play pool like that. I'm not a good pool player. Bathroom, like little toilet, like little powder room, toilet and sink, which leads to the pool area. So it's a little sit. You can sit out here, eat. Sit out here on the furniture. Looks like it needs to be dusted a little bit. But, oh, these doors must open all the way.
Yeah, it look like they might open all the way.
And then there's the pond over there.
Oh, I didn't even see that right there.
Yeah. Little pond. Back inside.
Head on upstairs.
This is where we'll have a quick breakfast. Upstairs we go.
We can work on these.
All right. Here is the media room. They had it set up real cute with like a theater. So it's like, you know, down. Nobody ever wants to sit in the front. Here's one bedroom, well the second one, and it has its own bathroom there with the shower. And if you are a Harry Potter fan, you'll love this room. Harry Potter. Harry Potter themed. A little owl in here. Take heed to the different what you call
Okay,
it.
so if you're a Harry Potter fan, which house you going to? Slytherin,
Ravenclaw,
Gryffindor?
or Hufflepuff.
Let us know down in the comments. I'm gonna turn these lights out.
Okay. Here we have a tub and shower combo.
This one isn't connected to a room.
Right. One room, I'm pretty sure this is a queen bed. Nice. Next room is for you Finding Nemo lovers.
This room is fire.
Dope. Every room got a nice TV. Which this has a Jack and Jill bathroom.
Which takes us.
So in here,
And this has a
shower.
shower in here too. You know, shower, toilet, and then it takes you into the other room.
Right. Which I'm pretty sure that's a queen bed also.
Is me?
No, you getting
That's me. Nah, that's me.
bruh.
No.
In there.
Bro.
There's so many rooms, like I be forgetting what room we went in.
Literally so many rooms.
Move it that way. Okay. This room, Mickey Minnie theme room. It's got a twin top and a full bottom. Which also has a Jack and Jill bathroom with a shower. Which leads to this room.
And notice the same countertops all throughout.
Yeah.
Nice ass countertops.
What's the TV on?
I think one of the kids turned it on.
Oh. I'm pretty sure this is a king size bed. Pretty sure of it.
Each room got like its own little color wall.
Well, that light didn't do a darn thing. Okay, yeah. Okay, no, we hadn't been here. This, trying to cut some light on for y'all.
Yeah.
All right, this is another room. Pretty sure this is a queen as well. I really like these little lamps. and
Yeah,
stuff.
I dig this
I
one.
like the aesthetic in here. It's pretty nice. This room also has a Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Tub and shower.
Oh yeah, that is totally show.
Yeah. Which leads to this room.
Lights, please.
Which is a
Trey.
queen bed, I'm sure, as well.
I see you, Trey. Alright, y'all, so that is the room tour. If y'all want to know what room we chose this room. It's the only room downstairs. We wanted to have our own bathroom, so that's why we chose this room. But
I guess just hang out and see what the rest
that's
of
the end of
what we
this
got
room
going
tour. Unedited room tour. I'm probably not gonna edit this. If I do, it's probably gonna have like 1 or 2 cuts, but it's not gonna be no heavy edits on this video. But make sure you stick around, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, so you can see what else we do while we are here in Florida. We'll catch y'all on the next one. We out.